Getting chased by the ugly ass grandpa. Hinabol ko pa rin?
Di. Go 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 go. I will jump scare.
Ah! Ugly ass grandpa.
Cosmo, don't go here again. He's my booty cheeks. Come here, Cosmo.
Oh!
Bitch. You did not see that. Distance standing still be like, i-draw mo yun na, puta! Help me, bestie, bro. Help me.
Where are you, bro?
I'm gonna give Cosmo to you, bro.
Are you creepy?
No. Just
Okay. No, this is not ornament mirror.
Is there any last machine here, bro? I can't see it. Oh, hindi mo ginawa to kupal. Oh, wait. Never mind. Bye.
Meron na bang ano? Wait, tignan ko nga kung I need some basket. Yo! That grandpa just can't trace you, but it...
Grandpa wants to, broke my back. He wants to
Grandpa
take,
wants a big basket.
he wants to take my back away, bro. Why are you flashing on me? Yo. Protect me, girl. You're a girl boss, okay?
Just let us vote.
Cosmo's gonna come here, bro.
You're so ugly. Slow, slow. Here's
Who's my ass machine, bro? Who's my fan machine, bro?
You're like a griefer, bro.
I'm boosting you, nigga.
Oh, so lakas.
Oh, give me that hoe.
Ano pa?
I said boost my machine up to finish it, you hoe. You're the press for you. Yo! Yo! Rich, look. This is kinda, Yo, you kinda wanna help me, bitch? Yo! You know how you us? Bitch?
got 69 tapes.
What?
We got 69 tapes.
I'm on one heart. Louis just touched my booty.
Your left booty.
Wait,
Out, I just fell sugar.
Louis just stole my booty, bro. I see an empty machine. I'm empty. What the fuck? Si Louis papunta. Si Louis papunta. Oh, hell. I'll save you, but still, just wait. Just wait. I have to finish this machine first. Nonchalant, easy, design.
Louis, stop, Louis, stop. Have mercy.
Napunta ka ba ng machine, bro?
Oo, kinukuha niya yung machine ko.
But why not? I need fucking heal. Help me, bro.
I haven't found a heal, but Louis keeps seeing my
Parang, bro.
Hello. Nakakatawa, nakalimutan ko pala ang ability mo.
Anyway, I'll bark for you if you caught me again. Wait, no, don't go back in, bro. No. Fuck is that? Your turn. It's turn. Okay, muna. Okay, I got, ano nakuha mo?
Ha?
Anong inventory nakuha mo?
Ano ka pinili mo?
Anong inventories nga? Anong inventory na lang sa'yo?
Isang band.
Sa akin, basura. Okay.
Basta... Mahal ang gasolina, ikembot ang...
Yo, don't grieve me, bro. I almost finished it. I got this. See? What's
Gaga. Go.
Gotta go fast. Hindi mo walk in. Like,
I'm more than that.
I see you. Third eye. I see you, my third eye, bro. I just punched your head. I just punched my head into you, bro. Oh. Nah, I'm on one or do the work, bitch. I'm scared. Shrimpo's here too, bitch. Oh no.
No! Let me back in! I don't want to be with a shrimp! Bro! Oh god, bro. Fuck you, bro.
I knew it. I knew I said Louis. This is why I hate his booty cheeks, bro.
I got all the attention of them, bro.
What? Bro, I used my ability twice. So testing. Ang ina mo. Gagawin ko, ipaprime ko tong last machine. Yeah. But, ano ako, wait. Parang yung ano ko, yung face ko, na-stuck sa wall, oh. I'm getting flat. Naka-flat ako. Oh my god. So zesty, bro. Hello, naging ako Earth. Kasi yung ulo ko, ano Earth?
You're bad at making music.
Where are you, bro? I see your light.
I'm lost, bro.
I saw your light, bro. I literally see your light here, bro. I'm so dumb.
I'm gonna fake elevator, bro.
Wait, you? I'm not cute anymore. Bro, if pag ako na-jump scare, puta, ina, alam ko na. You will come to here or I bark for you. Thank you. Lord 3 pa lang ako, namamatay na ako agad. Tingnan mo, mamamatay naman ako agad eh. So nonchalant skibidi o Kayak's listener, bro.
I love using... Oh, I just got sculpture for no reason.
I see a machine near fake LA.
Bro, wait! Stop! Bro, I'm getting chased!
Oh, Okay, oh,
Maybe I need a little bit teleport.
okay, teleport over to me, bro.
I can't, bro. You're so far, bro. Oh wait, you stop chasing me, brother.
I'm gonna finish this one, bro. Pag ako namatay ako kay Louie, basta nagbalik ko yung titi niya.
Okay, isa pa rin mo.
No. I wanna lick him. No? Because he's a balloon, which I lick balloons every time when there's a party. I mean, happy birthday. Yes. Happy
Happy
birthday
birthday.
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy go. Happy go. Bitch. Yo. Yo. And bang. Happy birthday. Oh, there. Wait, no, never mind. Yeah, fine, never mind.
Meron ka ng ano? Meron ka ng heal? Ano ba yung inventory mo?
Basura.
Just tell me!
Basura!
Ang basura!
Pop. Tas basura.
Parang nalulunod ako.
Pop, tas basura. Yun.
Ano tago ko?
Pop, tas basura. Basura means nothing, okay? Yeah.
What kind of language is that?
Oh,
Hi bro, I'm just
Pull, yeah, pull,
I'm just gonna AFK.
What the f- Are you gonna AFK again? Bitch. Tapusin mo tong machine to sa sa middle of the nagstiga na. Oh, baklat. Kasi ka lang, bye-bye.
What machine bro? Where bro? Is that a beautiful air horn? Oh my god, I think it is. Oh, you didn't see that.
I was looking at you and I didn't notice my skill check.
If I get seen by a twisted, I'm throwing you.
Gun.
Gun. Wow, Bobby! My perfectness don't have to be ruined by an ugly ass.
Buxton X Glisten.
Not bigger about it.
Take your away from me. Well, because you're Glisten, so that's your boyfriend, bitch.
I'm not big, listen. You saw me.
So he wants you now, bro.
Nah, bro, leave me alone, bro.
I want ginger, bro. There's no ginger in this one because they lock away. Lock away.
I thought you liked Dandy
No, because I'm a bobby here.
or Bassy.
Gun, bulbul. Bitch, di ako maka-extract kasi nasa present ako.
Let her be. She's so slay. Diba?
Spam.
Ah! Yung sinabi mo need healing na
Happy birthday to you.
Doctor, it's elevator.
Huh? No. Wah. Yan.
Ah, gugu gaga.
Happy birthday. You want my boot, eh? Wait, this is a shrimpo. Come back here, bro. I low-key think ba si Pebble nandito na agad? Oh wait, Poppy's
No,
here.
it's not. Don't rush.
Poppy's here and Poopy's here and Coco's here already. I see her. Decided to burn pang my poop.
I'm not. Oh, your piece. Ere! Saan kayo pupunta, ma?
Or help me, bro. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Ano malalim? Malayo!
Yo, extract mo tong machine, bro. Extract mo to. I'm too fat to do this machine, bro. I'm too fat. I'm too fat to do this machine, bro. Do this machine, bro.
Kain na pusa ay... Bubu!
I'm doing this fat ass machine, bro. I'm so cooked, bro. Look at me extracting this machine. So sige man. Copy? Okay, kala ko.
Sino bahala dyan, ma?
Brata, be. I'm slow now. Nandiyan si Papi, be. Nandiyan si Papi.
I don't see Papi.
Hindi, pumababa siya kasi taba niya. No, I'm the fat one. Where's Exxon, bro? I haven't seen him. Oh, wait, never mind. Hi, Grandpa. Hi, Grandpa. I put... No.
I accidentally clicked my air horn.
Hey, brother, help me, bro, brother. Si Grandpa bumalik sa ano ko sa funeral ko. Ay, hindi.
Iyo.
Grandpa thinks that present is for me, but bro came back to the present and tries to whoop it, bro. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I should think so.
My PC is being bad. Guguga.
Happy birthday
Papa.
to you. Bitch. Great, I was thinking happy birthday to you and you disrespect me, bitch.
Happy birthday to you. To you.
Happy to you. Puta na mo. Grandpa, don't go back here because I'm an ubu kid eventually.
Iglis and glaring at you.
I fucking hate you, Grandpa. You're gay. That's why you been back to Roger.
Hey, yo.
Because he's too old. They're too old. Why not? They been bang each other, bro.
Not a she-ball, no she-ball. Roger. Roger is sitting on
King
the
and son. Yeah.
Get some down.
He made.
Oh, that's ha.
Guess what I got?
What?
Guess what I got?
Kabalo. Trash.
2 pops and basura. Yung basura ay wala, okay? 2 pops and I got basura, okay? 2 pops and basura, okay?
I wanna gamble.
No. Look,
Boxton here. Oh wait, what?
happy birthday. No.
Bigo?
Simple. Happy
It's
birthday.
okay. We just have to be super quiet.
Shh, it's okay. Oh my god. Let me teleport to me, bitch.
Hey, you guys got I kept getting jump scared.
We just have to be super quiet. Hey, there's a donut. Hey, shit. Kala ko nag-fail ako ng machine. I'm sorry, bro.
Gotta kill you.
Fuck. I'm so faster than you, bro. Oh, wait. No. Oh. Found a machine here. I bet yung last machine nasa middle of the map, bro.
No, I just saw it.
Okay, never mind.
Nahan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Puchina Shrimpo. Happy
Bakit?
birthday to you. Magbabembang papa. Joke lang.
I might be screaming like a gay boy because this ugly ass shrimp is chasing me.
Bro wants to bite.
Ah! Help me. Help me.
Nothing. Bro, extract that machine faster, ho. Happy birthday
Bro, I can't! I
to
get
you. Happy birthday. Asan ka? I will help you, brother.
You're so Oh, you just make me feel like Why are you doing this?
Triple. No.
Oh. This beautiful Bobette. Oh, no dial. It is R.I.P. Bobette, the most depressed tone in the world, and she been so zesty with Joyride
How
and
dare you?